India's steel industry is seeing a renewed IPO activity, with Rajputana Stainless Limited coming up with its IPO. But is this a growth capital or just another cyclical steel play? Founded in 1991, Rajputana is Gujarat-based integrated manufacturer for various stainless steel products across 80 plus grades, serving to sectors like aerospace, automotive, defense, oil and gas. It operates out of 35,000 square meter facility in Kalol, providing to 13 plus Indian states and few international countries like US and UAE. The issue is to open on March 9, closing on March 11, priced at 116 to 122 per share. The issue size is about 255 crores, of which 178 crores is towards the fresh issue, balance being the OFS. The fresh funds will be utilized towards setting up of a new facility for seamless pipes and repayment of the borrowing. Financials have been fairly within the range of 900 to 950 crores in the last 3 years. PAT has improved considerably from 24 crores in FY23 to 40 crores in FY25. Also, as on H1 FY26, the top line stood at 500 crores and bottom line at 24 crores, showcasing a steady growth momentum. Coming to the risk, customer concentration, a large amount of the revenue is coming from the top clients, exposure to raw material prices volatility towards the nickel and chromium, significant contingent liabilities, also the high receivables. Anyways, the exposure to the cyclical steel cycle, which may impact the margins sharply. So, the Rajputana IPO is largely within the broader trend wherein company comes to the public markets for raising capital towards the expansion and strengthening the balance sheet. As always, read the RHP carefully, do consult your financial advisor before investing, and for more such IPO deep dives beyond the GMP, like and share to ValueX. Thank you.